The Maldives has announced that it will open its borders for South Asian countries from July 15. The Ministry of Tourism in Mali said in a tweet that the only prerequisite will be to have a negative RT-PCR test. The island nation, which has been a top attraction for Indian tourists during the COVID-19 pandemic, shut its borders last month.
Maldives Tourism Ministry in a tweet on Tuesday said that the Maldives will start issuing on-arrival tourist visas starting 15 July to tourists traveling from South Asia. Tourists will require negative PCR result to enter Maldives. The Maldivian government will, however, review the situation periodically between July 1 to 15 in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The island nation's economy is heavily dependent on tourism and it has been waiting for the situation to ease so it can restart business. Meanwhile, with 178 additional COVID-19 infections confirmed nationwide, Maldives' COVID-19 case count has risen to 73,660 as of Wednesday. The country has so far administered 316,704 people with the first dose of a vaccine, while 189,529 have been administered with 2 doses.